Adam,
Yes.
would you like to tell me what happened to your car? And when I say your car, I'm talking about what happened to your Ford Fiesta. What happened to your Ford Fiesta Mark 6?
Okay.
Where did that car go that we've been working on the past couple of weeks?
So, the gear cable snapped. So what I do to replace it.
New gear cable, that is.
Yeah. Started to replace it, realised it's an absolute ball ache of a job. So I decided to get it recovered, and the guy picked up my car, got a phone call 4 or 5 minutes later from one of the mechanics saying the recovery company might owe you some money. He's blew my engine up, taken it off the trailer, hasn't called me to tell me.
Yeah, and he's been a bit of an idiot about it, because now you're calling him like, you blew my engine up.
Yeah.
And he's like, oh no I didn't. But there is a video, and here is that video. And as you can see, engine very bad. So yeah, the Fiesta Mark 6 ST that we've been working on.
Stuck.
Yeah, the stuff.
Yeah.
It's dead, and it wasn't even us that killed it.
Yeah.
Which is a bit annoying because
the amount of times I've tried to kill that car, Cowboy's Barbers, kicking the limiter, has not managed to kill it, but this has.
it's quite upsetting.
Yeah.
The amount of like work we put into that car.
Yeah.
Like,
That's the worst bit.
yeah, so it's been dropped by 35mm. It's had wheel spacers. It's had new alloys.
Also, I can't get the spoiler off it
Oh, right.
because of how well I put it on there
Do you wanna?
and the amount of silicone that I used to put it on.
Do you wanna go and try and break it?
Can't take the wheels off it, obviously.
Yeah.
Can't take the springs off it, obviously.
Take the spoiler off it. Take the.
I've took the wheel.
You took the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Put that on there.
I'm getting on. Yeah. Put it on that. Yeah, that is very definitely not in properly.
I really feel sorry for the first person who tries to start that.
Yeah. It won't start.
No, but does it crack?
No,
Does it crack?
I don't think so. Yeah.
I suppose it's seized, isn't it?
Yeah. It's got oil in the engine, so don't use Pegasus recovery. They will destroy your car and not the machines.
Fair enough. So what happened was they've brought it off the trailer in gear, but it's been in like a forward-facing gear. They've not checked
So
that.
it's in first, and the key is in the ignition. So the whole car has power going to it. And as it's rolling back, there's enough compression in the engine, which is a good thing.
I was thinking about this last night.
But the wrong way.
It's compression coming in through the exhaust and out the manifold. So it's coming in the wrong way.
That's due to it going backwards.
Yeah.
And all of that pressure has popped the inlet manifold and thrown a chunk of it away. And that is covered in oil.
And now the engine is hydrolocked with oil and seized.
Yes.
So.
And I'm seeing nothing from this recovery guy.
Yeah, this recovery guy has decided that it's not his problem, even though in this video you can see. Big ups to Jack for getting the CCTV of that.